of them are having fun together. But what will happen to me now? Was it necessary? Why did mom have to exaggerate about my qualities?
Hey, Sister Nipa.
Who is that?
It's me. Yeah, see, I'm Mithai. Listen, follow the steps that I'm going to tell you now, okay? Cooking potato dish is pretty simple. At least your would-be mother-in-law didn't ask you to fry kachoris. When Mithai made kachori for the first time, they all got spoiled, you know that.
Oh my. Mithai, please don't talk too much. Please don't talk. Just tell me what should I do. Okay, Mithai?
Yes, you are right. Hence my mother says, Mithai, please talk a little less. But hey, listen first. Pour oil into the wok. Put oil.
Oil? What oil?
Oil. Mustard oil.
Oh.
No. Mustard oil. It's golden in color.
Is this the one?
Yes.
Yes, I found it. What should I do, Mithai? Let me pour all of it into the wok.
Hey, no. Why all of it? Oh, you are impossible. Pour some of it, little. I can't even see the wok from here. Wait. Yes, now I can see it. Pour the oil now. I'm keeping watch. That's it. Enough. That's enough.
What is this girl doing here? Hey, you! This girl is totally crazy. She's surely gonna cause an accident. Hey, you! Can you hear me? What's happening here? Nonsense. I have to go downstairs now. There's a house full of guests and stupidity amongst all this. The whole house has become a circus ring.
Hey, Sid. Come. Join us. With all that is happening, I'm not able to keep track of anything. Please come.
I'll be back.
Sid,
Just a second.
what happened?
I'll be back in a moment.
Listen.
Brother.
Antappa, did Brother Siddharth see Mithai? We will be doomed now.
Oh my. Just in a moment, he will start shouting.
Had to happen.
Now add bay leaves to the oil. No, not that one. Leaves of a tree. It looks the same, like tree. Put that.
This one.
Yes. Add 2 of it. Only 2. Yes. Oh, Lord. Now add the red chili. Yes. Add that. No. Not that much. Mithai won't be able to handle you anymore. Just add 1.
Talk to them about the flowers. Tell them that Nipa has made the flowering possible.
Brother Ramesh, are those flowers from your garden?
Yes. I mean,
Doesn't your daughter like gardening?
yeah, something like that.
No. In this house, he's the only one who likes gardening. Just him. He takes care of his garden himself.
In that case, we will visit your garden today. Actually, my husband and me too are fond of gardening. Nanda doesn't have any interest in this. I thought that if Ratul's wife would have had an interest in gardening, then I have many books on plants, which I would have gifted her. But you are saying that even your daughter doesn't have an interest in gardening.
No, Mom, not interested. Let Nipa fulfill her interest in cooking first. Happiness. Happiness, I mean. No, I mean. Ho- Hobby. Yes, hobby. Let her pursue her hobby of cooking first. Okay? After that, she can develop an interest regarding plants and trees, everything else. Everything.
Sorry. Now add the turmeric powder. Not that much. When Mithai makes potato dish in her shop, then she adds that much turmeric powder, but you shouldn't. You can use your hands. You just need a pinch of it. Just pinch of it.
Hey, no. Mithai, what are you saying? My nails will get ruined.
What's happening?
Oh!
What's happening here?
Brother said, you hear? Actually, brother said, Mithai is here to help me. Please go from here now, or else someone will see you.
What do you mean?
That means Nipa's would-be mother-in-law has asked Nipa to cook potato dish. It's kind of a cooking test. So I'm helping her.
What? Cooking test? What does all that mean? Why is this test happening? What are you up to, Nipa?
Actually, brother said, my mom has told Raji's mom that I can make really tasty food. I don't know why did my mom have to exaggerate about my qualities, but she has done it already. So,
Just stop all this nonsense. Why are you even doing all this? You don't know how to do all this. Why are you lying then? That too for a stupid marriage like this. And why would you take this test to prove yourself? Also, stop cooking such unhealthy food, please.
Can I say something now? Nipa will go abroad after getting married. What will she eat there? Tell me.
You please keep quiet. You've come here to cause another accident, right?
Look, sir, Mithai doesn't cause any accident knowingly. You appear out of nowhere in front of me and run money down, and thus accident happen.
oh my. Mithai, the accident happened right here.
Hey, what happened?
I have touched the turmeric powder. Oh
What?
no. Brother said, please go away. I request you. I am already so confused. On top of that, Mithai is talking about 10 other things while explaining something. Boiled potatoes, oil, salt, curd. Oh my. I am getting confused, brother said. Please don't confuse me anymore.
Yes, let me explain to him. Look, please leave this place. Can't you see that she is getting confused? Please go from here. Nipa, listen. Add the roasted spice powder now.
Impossible. If anyone stays here even for an hour, that person will go mad. Now I have to enter the house through the drawing room and I'll get stuck again. All because of this fool.
Am I fool? What did Mr. Bittergaard say? Did he call me fool? Fool? Is Mithai fool? He called me fool.
Okay, then you guys continue with the conversation. Meanwhile, let's go to the kitchen. I mean, we need to see how far she has reached. Once the potato curry is ready, we need to fry the kachoris too. Let's go inside and check how far is Nipa done.
Yeah, sure. Nipa, aren't you done yet?
Hey, wait. Why are you all getting impatient? She's cooking. Let her do it in her way. Yes?
Mr. Animesh?
Yes?
Meanwhile, let's go and visit Amaresh's flower garden.
Oh, yes.
Shushmita, do you want to come along with us?
No. The girl is putting so much effort in cooking. Let me taste it first. You are so crazy about garden and flowers. You forget about everything else.
Okay, fine. We'll go later. Happy?
Yes.
Sit.
Yes.
Sushmita, you seem to be a strict teacher, am I right?
Don't even ask Uncle Siddheshwar. Wherever Sushmita goes, she starts taking exams.
Very strict. There he is. My eldest grandson is here. He is also quite strict regarding everything. Siddharth, hey, wait, my child. Wait. Why are you always in a hurry? Listen, come and sit with us. You should talk to Ratul at least. My child, even for courtesy's sake, people ask about the other person's whereabouts, right? Tell me.
Grandpa, you're impossible.
Listen, Sid. Since you have got trapped, then please come and sit with us for a little while. Uh, Soon your cousin is going to serve the spicy potato curry. That highly anticipated potato curry is going to arrive any moment now. Oh, there she is. She's already here. Ratul, get ready.
What?
Hmm.
Oh my. Have you made it already? Let me see the color ones. Spicy potato? Are you sure you made them?
Grandpa!
Uh,
Aunt, please taste a little and tell me how is it?
Hey, Mithai. What happened? Is everything all right?
I don't know. Actually, Nipa doesn't know how to cook at all, so I'm not sure.
Won't you taste it, Aunt Sushmita?
Have you cooked it all by yourself?
Mom, you have seen it yourself. Why are you asking again and again?
It's amazing.
What? Huh?
I just couldn't imagine that Nipa can cook so well.
Dad! Dad!
What?
Dad, please pinch me once. Am I alive?
You're supposed to be alive. For the first time, your mom praised someone, Rajiv. Mrs. Shushmita failed miserably. Nipa, my child, you have passed with full marks. I'll give you a prize, a great prize. For the first time, you proved my wife wrong. You know what, uncle? Just by looking at students, Sushmita can judge her merit. But this time, Mrs. Sushmita failed completely.
She is my daughter after all. I mean, she can handle difficult situations.
Nipa, you have cooked very well. The potato curry is great. I really couldn't imagine that you can cook so well. Thank you for proving me wrong. I had thought that Nipa wasn't that familiar with cooking. No, that isn't anything wrong. That's quite possible. Actually, Ratul lives abroad. He doesn't know much cooking himself, and we have to do everything ourselves. It's better to know how to cook. He can only make instant noodles. That's why his wife should know a little bit of cooking.
Yes! So that's it. Finally, this marriage is happening, right? Mom, you have found a daughter-in-law who is even better than you at chores. There can't be anything more to say. Nanda, Nandu, lulululu. Our mission is successful. I would like to taste what she has cooked. Mithai, I want to eat both the dishes and I want it right now. All right? Aunt Sulata, I hope Nipa isn't going to fry the kachuris.
Should I fry them or should Nipa should?
Let it be. Let's not burden her anymore. She has had enough for one day.
Yes,
Okay,
that's
I'm
right.
coming.
Ratul, I think you got away this time, brother. I don't know how she managed the spicy potato curry. If it was kachori, it would have been a disaster.
Grandpa,
Hmm?
don't you think that we should tell them the truth?
Do you think I should? Mithai must have done something, right?
Possibly. She was instructing something to Nipa standing outside the kitchen.
Ah.
I was just playing a prank on you. I hope you didn't mind. Even if you didn't know how to cook, I would have asked your mom to teach you. But now I can see that it's not required.
It is required, Sushmita. It's very much required. Because our Nepal darling doesn't know how to cook at all.
What?
I believe that there is someone else's contribution behind Nepal's success. Mithai,
Yes.
tell me the truth. Even you too. Who has cooked the spicy potato?
What?
Grandpa? Grandpa, let me explain. Nipa has definitely cooked the potato curry. But Mithai instructed her just a bit. Mithai, you only instructed her a bit, right? Our darling Nipa cooked something without caring for her nails. Don't you think that's enough for us?
Grandfather, just by getting instructions, one can't cook well. Do you agree? During my childhood, my father used to teach me how to make the right consistency of sweet. But I didn't understand it then. Later, I practiced and learned it. I just guided Nipa once and she made such an amazing potato dish.
What happened? Why is everyone staring at me like that? I'm not as bad as Rajiv projects me to everyone. Believe me, I'm not that
No,
bad.
not that bad.
Nanda, tell everyone.
Yes, Mom, I want to say it. This is absolutely right. Mom might look somewhat strict from outside, but she's quite soft within her heart. Besides, Mom has already decided that Nipa should become Ratul's wife.
Yes, but I must admit, Nipa is a good cook. She can cook really well if she wants.
Nipa sings very well too.
Yes, this is absolutely true. There's no deception in it. Nipa darling sings very well, and now she will sing for us. Okay, girls, go and bring the kachori and Indian sweets and all that is there.
But Grandpa, what will I sing now?
Please, excuse me. I've got work to do.
May we come in?
Aunt, you.
Surprise! Sid, you have guests at home? Then you guys must be busy. I think we
Yes.
will. No, not at all. Please come inside, please.
Sorry, if I knew you guys were busy. Actually, Tess wanted to surprise Sid by suddenly coming down. You all hosted us so well in the sweet competition, but I couldn't thank you properly. That's why I also came along. Tess,
Yes,
give it to her.
sure.
Now we will come back some other time.
Uh,
We should take you a leave.
No, Aunt. Please have a seat, please.
Yes, Sid is right. Why should you leave? No one comes to our place with prior notice. Please come inside. Torsha, please come inside.
Come, please come.
Come, my child, come. Ah. Hey, Mithai, take the bag from Torsha.
Yes, grandfather.
Sid, what is she doing in this house? Mom had warned you, right? Hello, what are you doing in this house?
Stop it, Tess. We can talk about this later. And Grandpa's allowed them to stay here. You come with me. You sit here.
This Mrs. Weird. After all, she's Mr. Bitterguard's friend. She has to be weird. But she is the guest of this house, or else Mithai would also say a few words.